start. After giving our careful consideration to the facts and circumstances of the case and the submissions made by the respective counsel for the parties, it appears to us that for the purpose of quashing the complaint, it is necessary to consider whether the allegation in the complaint prima facie make out an offense or not, full stop. It is not necessary to scrutinize whether the allegations are likely to upheld in the trial. Stop. Any action by way of quashing the complaint is an action to be taken at the threshold before evidences are led in support of the complaint. Stop. For quashing the complaint by way of action at the threshold, it is therefore necessary to consider whether on the face of the allegations a criminal offense is constituted or not. Stop. In the facts of the case, it appears to us that there is enough justification for the High Court to hold that the case was basically a matter of civil dispute. Stop. The banks had already filed suits for recovery of the dues of the banks on account of credit facility, and the said suits have been compromised on receiving the payments from the concerned companies. Stop. Even if an offense of cheating is prima facie constituted, such offense is a compoundable offense, and compromise decrees passed in the suits instituted by the banks for all intents and purposes amount to compounding of the offense of cheating. Stop. It is also to be noted that long time has elapsed since the complaint was filed in 1987. Stop. It may also be indicated that although such FIRs were filed in 1987 and 1989, the banks have not chosen to institute any case against the alleged erring officials despite allegations made against them in the FIRs. Full stop. Considering that the investigations had not been completed till 1991, even though there was no impediment to complete the investigations, and further investigations are still pending, and also considering the fact that the claims of the banks have been satisfied and the suits instituted by the banks have been compromised on receiving payments. Stop. We do not think the said complaints should be pursued any further. Stop. In our view, proceeding further with the complaints will not be expedient. Stop. In the special facts of the case, it appears to us that the decision of the High Court in quashing the complaints does not warrant any interference under Article 136 of the Constitution. Stop.